Scott here with Appalachian Anglers, and today I'm at the Ohio River where we're going to do a little bit of multi-species fishing. I got Tom with me, and I've never really fished the Ohio River much before. Going to go after a lot of species that I've never caught before, so come along and let's see how we can do. All right guys, I'm down here by the river getting set up, and I wanted to talk a little bit about what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to complete the West Virginia Master Anglers program, and that involves catching, they've broke it up into 6 different fish slams, and if you catch each fish slam within your lifetime, then West Virginia will award you a Master Angler program. I'm mostly a trout fisherman, so the only one I've completed is the trout slam, so I have 5 more to go. And a lot of the fish on some of these slams I've never caught before, so I thought I would come here and try to fish the Ohio, because it gives me an opportunity to catch a lot of different species. So that's what I'm trying to do here today. Looking for specifically a hybrid bass, among other things. I know there's a chance to catch walleye, smallmouth, maybe crappie, other things here as well today, catfish. So looking to do that, and of course just have a little bit of fun, bring you along with me. So let's see what we can find here. Got one? Yeah, all right, so Tom's got the first fish of the day, a sauger, saugeye.
What the hell is that?
Saugeye.
Is that what it is?
Sauger. Maybe it's sauger.
First time I've ever seen one.
Me too. Never caught one.
Throw in here. There's a shit ton of stuff in here. I can see stuff swimming everywhere.
There he goes. I can too down there. I just haven't got anything yet.
Right when it comes back towards the shore.
All right, Tom just caught a little hybrid or a white bass. I'm not sure which. I didn't get close enough to look. He's catching them on these white little curly tail baits. So that's what I'm switching to as well. I'm gonna try to come over here by him. Tom's got 2. All right, it's about 2:30. We've been here all day, but fish are trying to hit a little bit right now. We're sitting in the shade of a couple trees, and we found a few small hybrid bass. Tom's caught 3, and I finally caught 1. But I didn't get it on camera. And there's a fish. It's not very big, but it's a fish.
Get one?
Yep.
Another one?
Another hybrid, yep. Another hybrid, I think. I don't know the difference between a hybrid and just a regular white bass, but I'm guessing it's a hybrid. I think it's a little bigger than my first one, actually.
They're pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
All right.
Wait a minute, I didn't get it.
Oh, no. My GoPro's going, so
Is it really?
yeah. See if we can catch some more. Fish on. Not a very big one. Maybe 9 inches. Go get your big brother. Need a 15-incher. So to qualify for the Predator Slam, I think it is, you need a 15-inch hybrid bass. All right, everybody, that's going to wrap it up here for the video today at the Ohio River. Did manage to catch 3 hybrid bass, but none of them were big enough for my master angler program, so we'll be back to try to mark that off again sometime soon. Stay tuned. Hope you like this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to bring more content like this soon. Thanks.